Lesson 2 pronoun. Eh, Look at the underlined words in the following text. Mr. Ahmed is reading a book. It is very interesting. Students of the school are very disciplined. They all stay in the hostel. The game teacher asked players to go to the field in the afternoon, but nobody was there. Note here it refers to a book. They refers to students and players refers nobody refers to players are called pronoun. Here it, they and nobody are called pronouns as they are used instead of nouns. নাউনের পরিবর্তে যে ওয়ার্ড বসে তাদেরকে pronoun বলা হয়। In other words, pronoun are alternative to nouns. নাউনের বিকল্প। When some things or someone is already mentioned in a sentence, you refer to them again by using a pronoun. I, you, she, they, we, nobody, it, who, all are pronouns. Those are called personal pronouns. Let us learn more about personal pronouns. Personal pronouns have three forms normally: subjective, objective, and passive. Look at the table below and see the different forms of pronouns. I, me, I subject from me, object from, or passive from my, mine, subject from we, object from us, passive from our, ours, subject from you, object from you, and possessive from your, yours, subject from they, object from them, and possessive from their, subject from he, object from his, and possessive from his, subject from she, object from her, and possessive from her, hers, it. Look at the following sentences. My brother is healthy. He weighs 75 kilo. Mr. Shala works in a bank. She has been doing this job for the last 15 years. In English, he and she normally refers to people, but they often refers to animals too. Maruf's father is a businessman. He has been business for 15 years. Currently, he is from there are 20 people working full time. He has three children who are going to school. Maruf is his second child. The youngest and eldest are both his daughters. This is our school. Our is pronoun. Who is your brother? Your is pronoun. Do you know them? My pen is. Do you know where my pen is? My is pronoun. Look at yours are his and ours are also possessive pronoun. This is my book. This is yours. These toys are hers. This bike is his. This garden is yours.